to boot into macOS Big Sur. This requires the latest OpenCore package available to download. Here I'm going to download OpenCore package 0.6.5. Click the link OpenCore 0.6.5 release.zip to download. The link for the same to download is given in the description box. The second thing which requires to download is the Propertree GUI.plist editor. Here I'm extracting the downloaded packages, one by creating the new folders, before using them. Next, I'm copying my EFI folder on the desktop. Here as you can see I'm using the x64 folder for my 64-bit UEFI system. This is the latest updated OpenCore EFI folder. I'm going to copy the SSDTs from the ACPI folder which is created for my system, the necessary firmware driver, and important texts which I had gathered for the working of the system's other devices. Here first folder is the boot. Leave it, there is no need to copy and replace it with the new one. As you can see ACPI folder is empty here. So I'm going to copy my already created SSDTs from the old ACPI folder into the new one. Next is the bootstrap folder. Skip it. Next is the drivers folder from which I only need the hfsplus.efi file. Now you will notice is that, it comes with a bunch of files in drivers. So I'm deleting all files, except one file openruntime.efi. And copying the hfsplus.efi file. Next is text folder which is empty. Here I'm copying all of the texts which is required by my system. If you want you can also download the latest updated texts if available for your system. Next is resources folder, leave it. Next is tools folder, that it comes with a bunch of files. So I am deleting most of these files except one file which is the openshell.efi. Next is the configuration file which is required. So copying the same here. Last file, which is, as you can see here, is the OpenCore.efi. Do not replace it with the old one. Just leave it. This is how I had updated my old OpenCore EFI folder, created for booting Catalina, and now updated for booting macOS Big Sur. Now, recheck each and every folder, and make sure everything looks fine before using the OpenCore EFI folder. Here I have deleted the old OpenCore EFI folder from the desktop, and my new updated OpenCore EFI folder is ready to use. Now, last one more thing is left to do. That is to update the configuration file. So, this is how you can update the configuration file, which is necessary. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial video will found useful to you. If you have any feedback related to the video or have a query regarding the video, please let me know by commenting in the comment section. There are more tutorial videos are coming soon on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and show your support by liking and sharing the video with your friends. This will motivate me to work hard and create good content for my viewers. Thanks, see you soon.